niitumite arutwo a itura ria Lera gichigo mbunge kia Lonyiek guku ni kaunti ya Laikipia korwo magithomera rungu rwa miti niudu wa wagii wa cukuru na arimu aria mathomithagia arutwo aya ni maugite ni makoragwo na mathina ma wagii wa ugitiri na mbura nene iria itumaga mage guthii mbere na guthoma. Na munini wa commissioner wa gichigo mbunge gia Kirima niwe John Orata na murugamiriri wa mathomo Laikipia Mr. John Gichuke ni maugite ni megutigirira mubango uyu wa gwaka cukuru ni wakorwo ukinyotora athomi aya mena nyota wa githomo.
I'm Lera. I'm a teacher in here at Kamnate ECDE Center. Hapa tukuna wanafunzi. We have roughly 100 learners here. We have divided them into two. That is PP1 and PP2. The biggest challenge that we have, despite of dividing them into two groups, is that we don't have a class. We teach them under the tree. And also, we teach PP1 under the tree, and PP2 we always use the side, PP2 outside. That is during rainy season. Okay. The other challenge is that we are teachers. Tuko na feeding program hapa, so we are teachers at the same time we are cookers hapa. So we do it as shift. Tunafanya Monday, mwalimu wa PP1 anapika. Atakuwa anapika na anaangalia darasa lake. On Tuesday, mwalimu wa PP2 will be cooking. At the same time, she is responsible of the class. The other challenge is that, despite of having the feeding program, tukuna chakula, yes, but we don't have water. Naweza kuta tumeletewa lita 2 and you want to cook like 5 kgs of rice and 2 kgs of beans. So we end up postponing the cooking of the food. No, that is the biggest challenge. The other challenge is that we are cooking under the tree. Tunapikia huko kwa miti. Kukinyesha before chakula ive, we postpone everything. Okay, kukinyesha the previous day, chakula itaiva saa 8. This is because moto imenyeshewa, kuni it is wet, haiwezi shika moto. The other challenge is that we don't have teaching and learning materials. Hapa we were supported by some well-wishers, example Mugie Conservancy. They assisted us with writing materials, that is pen, pencils, rubbers, crayons and modeling clays. But books we don't have. Okay, as teachers, the biggest challenge that we don't have guidance. We don't have these books. Like the designs, the textbooks, we don't have. What we do, we went to an extra step of borrowing from other schools, but still they are not enough. Kwa sababu tuko na ya mwalimu peke yake. Yeah, that is the challenge. Na tunaomba serikali yetu ya county, please and please, we need some teaching material so that learning will be conducive for the learners. The other challenge hapa ni the drought. Jua ikiwaka, watu wako njaa, watoto, they move with their parents. You know, these are pastoralists, so they move with their children. The number of learners starts dropping. Currently, the number is high. This is because